In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pauses in Murf AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control the pacing of your voiceover so it sounds natural, clear, and engaging. First, log into your Murf AI account and open the project where you want to add pauses. Give yourself a moment to scan your script and think about where a brief silence will help the listener, after a headline, before an important figure, or between ideas. Pauses guide attention and make complex information easier to absorb. Next, highlight the section of text where you want the pause to occur. This can be a single word, a phrase, or the exact point after a sentence. Positioning matters. Placing a pause right after a key sentence can emphasize it, while inserting a pause before a new section can signal a transition. In the text editor, you have two ways to add a pause. You can use the pause option in the interface, which inserts a pause at the cursor, or you can type a pause command directly into your script, such as pause. Typing the command gives you precise control and makes it easy to see exactly where pauses are placed as you edit. You can also adjust how long the pause lasts by specifying a duration. For example, typing, pause 2s, inserts a 2-second pause. Shorter pauses, like pause 0.5s or pause 1s, create a natural breath without breaking momentum, while longer pauses, such as pause 2s or pause 3s, are useful for emphasis or scene changes. Aim for consistency. If you repeat a pattern of pause lengths across similar sections, your narration will feel intentional and polished. After adding your pauses, preview the audio to make sure they're in the right places. Start playback a few seconds before each pause so you can hear the lead-in and the flow afterward. If a pause feels too long or too short, tweak the duration and listen again. Pay attention to how the pauses interact with punctuation. Sometimes a comma plus a short pause is all you need, while a period might call for something slightly longer. Once everything sounds smooth, export or save your project with the added pauses. Use a clear file name and format that matches your workflow so it's easy to share or integrate into your video editor. If you plan to make further changes later, saving a version with labeled pauses can save time. That's it. With just a few thoughtful pauses, your Murf AI narration will sound more human, more professional, and easier to follow.